Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. If you want to learn how to make this simple holiday-themed thank you card, keep watching. Here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. Everything that I specifically used, including the colors, will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to start by taking your pencil and drawing out the design. I started by freehanding the words, and then I drew in the holly, and I placed a straight line with a ruler initially just to make sure that the lettering was nice and straight. Next, switch over to your silver pen. Here I'm using the Recollections pen from Michaels, and simply trace over the lettering. Once you have that done, continue on with the same silver pen and draw in the 2 holly leaves. If you've decided to not use rhinestones, the next step is to take your red pen and draw 3 small red dots to represent the holly berries. If you're using rhinestones, you can skip this step as it's not necessary. If you're making the rhinestone version of this card, you'll need 3 red rhinestones. And as I always do, I started by laying them out on the card to make sure that I had the positioning correct and where I wanted them. And then once I was happy with it, I simply took my glue. This is my favorite fast drying glue, but any glue will work, and I glued them all on. And once the glue is dry, this rhinestone version is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for this quick and easy holiday themed thank you card. Thanks for watching.